recognize that students have put in a lot of work in these courses. And frankly, colleges have accepted streamlined AP scores like these for years whenever students have been in emergencies and we have had to limit the amount of testing time for a student. Colleges have been willing to accept those scores, and we expect that they will continue to do so. After all, the correlation between student performance on exam questions from the first 70% of the course in an AP course like AP History is a 99% correlation to the full exam score. So colleges can continue to accept these scores on this very focused, streamlined AP exam with great confidence. The final condition we needed to set for ourselves was that these exams administered in-home would be secure and fair for students. Now, if an exam is being administered in-home, we cannot assume that a student will not be looking at a textbook. Even if we told students not to look at a textbook, we cannot be there to monitor that. We cannot be there to monitor whether a student is looking at Google, trying to find answers that way. So each AP exam question for this year is being screened to ensure that no points are available simply by looking in textbooks or by Googling for that content or searching other web browsers for that content. What this means is that for exams like the AP World Language exams, AP French, AP German, AP Italian, AP Spanish, AP Chinese, AP Japanese, there will be no reading or writing tasks because those are tasks that we cannot confirm are fair to all students when being administered at home, nor are they fair to colleges and universities because a student could simply take a French passage or a Spanish writing assignment and run it through Google Translate and submit that. So there will be no reading and writing tasks on this year's World Language exams. Instead, the World Language exams will focus on the questions that actually have the highest correlation to the full exam score and to college success, the speaking tasks. The AP World Language exams will consist of 2 questions, free response question 3 and free response question number 4. The students can participate in by using a telephone to talk with, to communicate their responses, to listen to the prompts and communicate their responses. So this rule that every AP question, so since these exams will be open book, open note, students can search for content on the internet, the questions focus on students applying content they've learned to scenarios or situations. These are similar to the other AP exam questions that we've been asking for years. But it means that we've had to rule out some of the traditional AP questions in AP economics exams, the AP history short answer questions, the AP history long essay questions, some of the biology